Hi everyone. In this video I am going to talk about cleaning your soldering iron with a ammoniac block. And what you need is a hot iron, and this has been plugged in a little bit. My sponge is damp. I've got some flux, I've got some solder, and I've got my ammoniac block. And what you want to do is take some of your flux, put it on your block. You'll also want your solder ready, and you heat up your solder. And this does get smoky. I have a fan blowing across my table. I'm going to heat up some of the solder with my iron, and this helps tin your tip. You can see my tip's looking kind of cruddy on the side and on this, well, on the edge and on the side. And you want your solder and your flux, and you rub your tip. It might be better to have some gloves on while you're doing this. This is kind of spitty. But you rub. You rub your tip with that flux and solder, and what that does is retin your iron tip. And it may take a couple times to clean your iron and get it retinned. And I need more flux. I'm going to put my iron up in its holder, give it some more flux on our block. I'm going to do a wipe on the sponge. This one side looks very nice. Our back side is looking better. Side is still kind of cruddy. Now, let's work on it. My ammoniac is staying put, so I'm going to put my other hand out of the way. And just keep rubbing. This is one of those things, little by little. I think I'm going to want some more flux on that block. You can see the smoke, and having the fan, I have the fan over there on the left side of my table. It's blowing the fumes away from me. Alright, let's grab some more solder. Oh, that's looking much better. I never do the whole tip, I mean the tip up to the barrel. I just only do the part of the tip that we know we use when we're soldering. See how much better that looks? And to help your iron tip stay tinned, it's always better. I know we like to wipe our tips off, but it's always better to have some solder on the tip after, or before you unplug it rather. So while it's cooling down, that solder hardens to your tip, and then your tip stays tinned. Much better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.